There are moments in life when money appears from places you never expected. A message, an opportunity, a sudden opening that changes everything. It feels random, almost unreal, but it isn't. It follows a law, a precise, invisible law. And once you understand it, you will begin to see that nothing arrives by accident. You've had glimpses of this before. A time when something came right when you needed it, when things just worked. No struggle, no forcing, just flow. And then it stopped, and you wondered why. You tried to recreate it, but the more you tried, the further it felt. Because unexpected money does not come from effort. It comes from alignment. And this is what Florence Scovel Shinn taught. There is a supply that is always available to you, but it does not respond to pressure. It responds to your word, your expectation, your inner knowing. Before we go further, write this in the comments. I am open to unexpected abundance. Let yourself feel that, because openness is the beginning of receiving. There is something most people misunderstand about money. They believe it comes from a source, a job, a client, a single opportunity. But money does not come from one place. It comes through many channels, known and unknown, seen and unseen. And when you limit the source, you limit the flow. But when you understand that supply is not attached to one path, everything begins to expand. Unexpected money is simply money arriving through a path you did not anticipate. Now write this: money reaches me in unexpected ways. Because it already is, you are just beginning to allow it. There was a woman who had reached a breaking point. Bills were overdue. Stress was constant. Every thought was about survival. She had tried everything: more work, more effort, more control, but nothing changed. Until one night when she was too tired to try anymore. She sat in silence, no plan, no solution, just stillness. And in that moment, a thought came to her. Simple, clear. Release the struggle. At first, she resisted because struggle felt necessary, but something in her shifted. And instead of worrying, she spoke a new word: I am always provided for. It didn't feel powerful, it didn't feel dramatic, but it felt peaceful. That night, she slept differently. No tension, no fear, just quiet. The next day, nothing happened, but the day after, something small appeared. A message, an opportunity she had overlooked before. It led to a conversation. That led to an offer. And within weeks, her situation changed completely. Not because she forced it, but because she stopped resisting and allowed something new. Now write this: I trust the flow of money in my life. Trust opens doors that effort cannot. Unexpected money requires one thing: trust. Not blind belief, but calm certainty. Because when you are constantly watching, waiting, checking, you are sending a message: it is not here yet. And life reflects that. But when you relax, when you trust, when you know it is already moving toward you, you remove resistance. And what was blocked begins to move. This is why forcing never works, because force is resistance, and resistance delays everything. Write this now: I allow money to flow freely to me. Allowing is more powerful than effort. Now, The phrase, the one that opens unexpected channels. Say this: I now receive money in expected and unexpected ways. My supply comes from known and unknown sources. Again, I now receive money in expected and unexpected ways. My supply comes from known and unknown sources. This phrase does something subtle. It removes limitation. It expands possibility. It invites surprise. Say it before sleep. Say it when doubt appears. Say it until it feels natural. Now declare this: unexpected money is coming to me now. Let that settle. You are not someone waiting for money. You are someone who receives it effortlessly, naturally, without strain. And when you become that person, life begins to reflect it. Because your identity shapes your reality, not the other way around. Write this: I am a magnet for unexpected abundance. This is who you are becoming. Tonight, you are not asking, you are not hoping, you are not chasing, you are declaring, you are allowing, you are receiving. And somewhere, right now, something is already moving toward.